Hey everyone, I'm going to show you some tips for changing your outfits in Second Life. The first thing I like to do is teleport somewhere isolated where no one can see me, and I am going to save my outfit first. So I am going to save it as a copy of what I already have because I have this outfit saved already. And then I can see right here everything that that outfit contains. It's all right in there, all the elements of it. And so I am going to try on a new outfit. There's a Shauna Light outfit, and there's Shauna Lobo. And again, I can see what Shauna Lobo contains in case I want to use any of those elements in another outfit. Here is another character, Lucy, and I can see like I might like Lucy's dress and want to put it on somebody else. And then I have tried on Morgan, and Morgan is pretty cool. She has a cat, and I want to give that cat to Shauna. So I'm going to go find Morgan, find her cat, and add it to Shauna. And so now Shauna has a cat, and I'm going to save her as Shauna with a cat. And there you go, riding off into the sunset. Thank you.